In this video, we'll expose how AI is redefining customer service, what that means for your privacy, your job, and your ability to get real help when it really matters. Imagine calling customer service and instantly getting the exact help you need. No waiting, no hold music, no frustration. Now imagine it wasn't even a human helping you. That's not the future. That's happening right now. Big brands like Amazon, Google, and even your local bank are already replacing human agents with AI. It's fast, efficient, but is it also dangerous? Welcome back to Razvi Daily, where we break down the biggest shifts in tech, society, and what's trending worldwide. Today's focus: AI-powered customer service, how it's exploding across every industry, who's leading the charge, and what it really means for you. Customer service is now the #1 industry for AI integration. According to Gartner, by the end of this year, 70% of all customer interactions will involve emerging technologies like AI chatbots and virtual assistants. Tools like ChatGPT-based bots, Google Dialogflow, and Amazon Lex are already handling millions of queries every single day. Why? Because they never sleep, never get rude, and they reduce support costs by up to 60%. But it's not just about fast replies anymore. Emotion AI is now entering the space. Brands are using tech that analyzes your tone of voice, text, or even facial expression to detect frustration, sadness, or confusion. Cogito, used by healthcare and insurance call centers, gives agents real-time emotional cues about the customer's mood. And Hume AI is building emotion-aware interfaces to make bots feel more empathetic. But is this emotional mimicry real care or just manipulation? Here's what they don't tell you. AI systems record and analyze everything you say. Some even store emotional profiles tied to your account. That's a huge privacy risk. Then there's the job loss. Over 300 million jobs are at risk of AI automation, and customer service is at the top of that list. AI can also make mistakes, misreading your tone or giving you the wrong answer, especially in complex or emotional situations. And once AI becomes the only option, what happens to human accountability? AI is fantastic for tracking orders, answering FAQs, and resolving billing issues. But when it fails? Think about emotional support hotlines, healthcare consultations, legal or insurance disputes. These are situations where AI lacks nuance, empathy, and real-world judgment. The consequences can be serious. This isn't just about convenience. AI in customer service is shaping corporate transparency, consumer rights, and the human experience of being heard and understood. Some countries are starting to push back. The EU's AI Act may soon require companies to fully disclose when customers are interacting with bots. Meanwhile, companies in the US are doubling down because automation saves billions. Whether you're a customer, an employee, or just someone navigating a digital world, AI is changing how help is delivered and who delivers it. The real question is, will this technology serve us or replace us? What's really at stake? Your privacy, your job, your right to speak to a human, and the future of how we connect with brands and institutions. But we're not stopping here. In our next video, we'll uncover the real stories behind the AI takeover, including how major companies like Amazon, Walmart, and Delta are using or misusing AI. We'll show you what happens when bots deny refunds, how your chat data is being reused, and when AI fails in the moments that matter most. Make sure to subscribe to Razvi Daily so you don't miss it. And if you've ever been stuck arguing with a chatbot, drop a comment. We want to hear your experience.